Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing reverse burpees. When we do these, we can begin with a hop. Then we're going to come all the way down to our butt, our backs, use the momentum to come up. So what I would suggest is if you're not comfortable coming down quickly, come down with a little bit more control, roll onto your back, keep your abs tight, jump up. So for more awesome cardiovascular exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.